Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cite a print book source in APA format in Microsoft Word. You should know that all of your citations have to be listed on a separate page at the end of your paper. For this example, I'm going to use the book Henri Matisse, Modernist Against the Grain, to show you how to cite a book source. First, you have to select the proper font for your citation. APA Style 7th edition allows several readable fonts such as Calibri, Arial, Times New Roman, Georgia, etc. For this example, we will use the Times New Roman font. Make sure that the font size is 12 points. Now type References and align it to the center by pressing Ctrl+E on the keyboard. In the next line, set the alignment to the left by pressing Ctrl+L or by clicking on this icon. The first element in this citation is the author information. This information can usually be found on the cover, title page, and copyright page. Now we need to look at the first and last name of the author, which in this case is Catherine Bach-Weiss. We're going to start our citation by putting the last name, Bach-Weiss, followed by a comma, then the initial of the first name, Catherine, which is C, followed by a period or full stop. If there's only one author, you can move on to the next part of the citation. If you have two or more authors, you would put a comma after the first author, followed by an ampersand, and then the name of the second author in the same format as the first. Since I have only one author here, I don't need this part. The next part of the citation is the year of publication. This information can be found on the copyright page, and we can see it here as 2009. We'll go back to our references page and put the year in parentheses right after the author information, followed by a period. Next is the title of the book. Only the first word of the title and the first word of the subtitle, if there is one, should be capitalized. I'm going to write the first part of the title, Henri Matisse, with only the first word capitalized. Since this book also has a subtitle, I will put a colon followed by that subtitle, Modernist Against the Grain, remembering to only capitalize the first word, followed by a period. Now select the book title and press Ctrl+I to make it italicized. The next information we need is the location where this book was published. This can also be found on the title page or copyright page in the section where the publisher information is located. We can see that the publisher's address is University Park, Pennsylvania. In our citation, we will put the city, followed by a comma, then the state's abbreviation, PA, and then a colon. Finally, the last element we need is the name of the publisher. This information can be found on the copyright page, title page, or back cover. Here, we can see that the publisher is the Pennsylvania State University Press. To finish our citation, we close it with a period. Now that we have our completed citation, the final step is formatting it. The references page should always be double-spaced, so select the whole document and click on this paragraph settings option. Click on the spacing option, select double, and click on OK. The second line of your citation should always be indented, so go to the beginning of the second line and press Tab on the keyboard to indent it. And that is how you cite a book source in APA format. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.